In today's video, I'm going to talk about why working a 9-to-5 job is going to keep you broke. Now, I know that might not make sense, right? Because a lot of people say a 9-to-5 job is stable, a 9-to-5 job is stable. Well, I'm actually going to break down in this video why a 9-to-5 job isn't actually stable. And if you keep working a 9-to-5 job, you're going to end up broke, right? Now, if you guys don't know who I am and you're new watching this, my name is Alim and I quit my 9-to-5 job and I moved to Dubai, right? That's currently where I am at the moment. And I took the biggest risk. I quit my 9-to-5 job, moved to Dubai, and I started a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life, allowed me to live here in Dubai comfortably with freedom, and now I can do whatever it is that I want, right? And in today's video, I'm going to talk about why working a 9-to-5 job is going to keep you broke, okay? Because a lot of people, and I've spoken to a lot of people who say to me, yeah, business is good, but it's not stable. Business is good, but it's very, very unstable. You know, you're not gonna be able to make money all the time, X, Y, and Z. I've heard some of the most stupidest excuses, right? Where people literally say to me, to my face, right? Without understanding how the world works, a 9-to-5 job is stable. Okay, let's break it down. And this is why I'm gonna break it down logically as to why a 9-to-5 job is one of the most unstable things, okay? Now, let's even go 30, 40 years ago. When you work a 9-to-5 job, you know, obviously I know you used to make less back in the day, but your money was still worth more, right? So my point is 30, 40 years ago, you could buy a house on a salary. You could buy, you know, a good, really nice 3-4 bedroom house, especially back in London or maybe somewhere else in the UK, right? You could buy a nice house with your wage, with your salary, with your 9-to-5 job. And you didn't even have to be on like crazy high wages. As long as you were earning a decent amount, you could buy a house, right? Nowadays, most people in the UK, right, or around the West or in the world, can't buy a house on their salary. And you have to ask yourself, why has this happened? How has this happened, right? Because inflation keeps going up. Not just houses, but even things you buy, even food, even, you know, going out, even doing certain things, right? Everything around you has increased. Whilst your salary, yes, it's gone up, but in comparison to products and services and all of these things that are out there, the value is less, right? So the way they've done this is very clever, okay? They increase your wages, let's say by 2, 3%, 5%, 7%, whatever it is a year. Then inflation goes up double that, right? Or triple that. And in your mind, because you can't see inflation in front of your face, right? You can't just see inflation in front of your face like, oh, this is what it is, everything else has gone up. You think you're getting paid more. So you think, oh, I'm getting a wage increase, I'm getting paid more, I'm getting paid more. But you're not. You're not. Your money's now worth less, right? Every year there's price increases. I remember when I was in the UK, every year, I think it was April, they have a price increase, whether that's like Sky or all of these other things, right? They used to just increase their prices randomly. And it's like, you have to accept it or, you know, tough luck, you can cancel. But guys, this is how they get you. Every year things go up. Every year prices increase. Petrol's at, you know, at an all-time high. I know because of the war and whatnot, but generally speaking, petrol's at an all-time high. Houses are at an all-time high. You've got, you know, food, all of these things are at an all-time high. Like even buying food now for most people is expensive. It's like a luxury trying to get decent food, right? Guys, you have to understand how the world works. Your 9-to-5 job isn't stable. Your money is going down, right? Your value of your money is going down. And they keep you in the 9-to-5 job by saying, yeah, we're going to increase your wage, or maybe if you get a better job, you know, you get a better salary, you'll be comfortable. Guys, ask anyone working a 9-to-5 job, right? Is life stable? And most of them will say no. Right? I know the situation in the UK. Most people, right, they can barely afford to survive. Just deep that for a second. They can barely afford to survive, right? This is why a 9-to-5 job is unstable. Not only that, right, if you want to make more money, how can you make more money? Maybe you can do overtime, right? But again, guys, how much overtime can you do? There's only so much time that you have. There's only so much overtime that they probably have available. Even if you work more, even if you spend every living second working a job, you're not going to make enough money. You're not going to make enough money to survive. This is my point, right? This is why I say a 9-to-5 job is unstable, because you cannot survive. A 9-to-5 job is going to keep you broke. A 9-to-5 job is going to keep you stuck in a system where you can't work for yourself, you don't have freedom, you have to do what the boss tells you to do, and you have to go where the boss tells you to go. You have to work when the boss tells you to work. You can only go home when the boss tells you to. Guys, what kind of life is that, right? You want freedom. Now, I have my own online coaching business, by the way, where I work with people on a one-to-one basis and scale them to 10K a month by using the one skill consulting business model, where you essentially sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, if you guys are interested and you do want to start this online business, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. But back to my point, guys, right? You want to start an online business, because an online business, right, gives you freedom, gives you the ability to live where you want, right? Allows you to work for yourself. You don't have a boss. You do what you want to do, and you can literally live the life you want, right? You can live wherever it is that you want. I live in Dubai, right? But if tomorrow I wanted to move to Qatar, maybe I could do that. If I wanted to move to Saudi Arabia, I can do that. If I wanted to move to the US, I can do that. If I wanted to move back to the UK, which I would never do, I would do that, right? The point I'm trying to make is that I have the freedom. I get to decide what I want. But a lot of you guys work a 9-to-5 job, right? Maybe you want to go somewhere, but the only way you can go there is on holiday. And even that, depending on your boss's approval, right? You want to have leave, right? And you can't take leave because the boss will say no to you. Maybe you want to take 2 weeks off. You can't because the business needs you, right? Just think about it for a second. Your own holidays, your own entitled holidays, you cannot have off when you want because of business needs. If that doesn't show control, I don't know what does, okay? And not only that, you guys have to also understand this. You only get 30 days off a year. Think about that. Over 365 days, yes, you get weekends and all that, so you can include that in there. But essentially, you get 30 days off a year extra. That is not a lot. Guys, I can take as many days off as I want, right? But every day I feel off anyway, right? I still work on my business and whatnot, but I feel off every day because I can just relax. I can make content. I can, work with clients, which I enjoy doing. So life is good because I get to work where I want, when I want, how I want. I'm pretty much off whenever I want. Like, I remember even when my parents came to visit me, right? I can still work on my business while spending time with them. And I can bring my laptop with me and I can do whatever I need to do. Guys, this is the benefit of having freedom. This is the benefit of being able to change your life. This is the benefit of having an online business, right? And this is why I say a 9-to-5 job will keep you broke, because every year, inflation goes up and up and up and up, and inflation goes up, let's say, argument's sake, by 10%, and your wages go up by 5%. You will never catch inflation, right? You will never catch inflation. And this is how they've done it. The system was designed like this on purpose. Because I'll give you guys an example, right? If there's boiling water there, and you throw a frog in boiling water, what's going to happen? He's going to jump straight out, right? But if you have warm water and the frog goes inside, and then you slowly heat it up, the frog dies without realizing. This is how they've done life. Back in the day when they started this whole 9-to-5 bullshit, they made people work a job, right? They were essentially factory workers. But what they did is like, look, rather than giving you a house and food, we'll give you something called money, right? So here's money, you work a job, right? At the end you get money and you've got the freedom to use this money how you want. You can buy food, you can buy shelter, X, Y, and Z. And back in the days, it was easy. You can buy food, you can buy shelter, that money was a lot. Slowly, they made the money worth less and they increased inflation, right? And this is exactly where we are now, where you guys are dead in the frog example, right? Because now you can't escape. Now every month feels the same. Now every month you have no money left over. Every month you're like, oh, more bills, and you can barely survive. Like, do you want to live a life like that? Like, that's crazy. And again, if you guys do need any help, right, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, where you essentially sell your skills and knowledge to higher ticket clients, click the link in the description, guys, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you, okay? Now, guys, I want you to understand one thing, right? A 9-to-5 job, no matter how you picture it, is always going to keep you broke. Doesn't matter what job you have, doesn't matter how much money you get in your job, right? Ultimately, a 9-to-5 job is going to keep you broke, because you have to understand one thing. A 9-to-5 job is in relation to the inflation market. If inflation keeps going the way it's going, your 9-to-5 is still going to pay you the same, or if not less, over time, because your money is going to be worth less. Even if you get paid more, it's an illusion. You getting paid more is an illusion, guys, because inflation will keep going up. So you might feel like you're getting paid more, but inflation keeps going up and up and up, which essentially means you're getting poorer and poorer and poorer. This is how the world works. This is how life works. And this is why you guys have to say, you know what? Forget working a 9-to-5 job. You want to be free. You want to make money for yourself. You want to make money online. And this is also why I say I don't believe in physical businesses. I believe in making money online, right? So you can have financial freedom as well as global freedom. So you don't be tied down to one location, because I think that's one of the worst things possible. This is how they get you with a mortgage, by the way, because they put this idea in you. Go to university, which puts you in debt. Go to a 9-to-5 job to pay off your debt and get a mortgage to pay another debt. And then at the end, let's say when you're 60, 70, 80, you've got a house that you've just about paid off. Now, let's say you want to give that house to a child or someone else. Well, now you've paid off the house. Okay, fine, you got a house now, but now you got to pay 40% tax on top of that. Guys, It is such a scam. They have scammed us from the very beginning. This is why I make videos like this, trying to open your guys' eyes, right? This whole system they've designed is a scam. It's to keep you broke, it's to keep you in one place, it's to keep you dependent on the government, right? And this is why I'm making videos to show you guys, open your eyes. A 9-to-5 job is going to keep you broke. You have to also ask yourself, why are you not doing anything, right? And the reason why you're not, because there's so many distractions. You know, you've got movies, a new movie comes out, you want to watch it. Oh, new Netflix series, you want to watch it. Video games, new video games, you want to play it. GTA 6 comes out, you're going to want to play it, right? All of these things are distractions. All they want to do is keep you distracted in your 9-to-5 job so you don't escape. And people like me that have escaped, cool, there's a few exceptions, right? Some people are going to get out, but ultimately, majority of the people are going to be stuck in the system like you guys. And guys, I myself used to work a 9-to-5 job, right? So I know how difficult it is. I know how difficult it is waking up early. I know how difficult it is saying hello to your boss, someone that you might not like. I know how difficult it is working 12-hour shifts. I know how difficult it is, you know, having work politics. I know how difficult it is. I know when the management's onto you, getting micromanaged, all of that shit. I've been there, I've done it. I know how difficult it is. But I wasn't like most of you guys that are probably watching this, right? Who will just watch this video and do nothing. I was like, you know what? I need to change my life, because I was at work looking at people making money online in Dubai, Bali, you know, all these different cities. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm here working my 9-to-5 job for my boss that I don't even like, right? And I'm just going to be here for the rest of my life if I don't take action. And that's when I took a big risk. I took a big risk. I took a massive risk. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. Guys, when I say I have completely changed my life, I have completely changed my life. I went from working 40 hours a week to making $2,000 to now making well over 6 figures a year in Dubai, being able to have ultimate freedom. I don't have an alarm clock, right? I wake up whenever I want. I do the work that I need to do, and life is amazing. And I would not want it any other way. And again, guys, if you do need any help, right, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, where you sell your skills and knowledge to higher ticket clients, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. And alternative, guys, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.